Hi everyone, I'm Matt from Look Into Bitcoin, and today we're going to be looking at whether you can use Look Into Bitcoin data metrics to help you trade other cryptocurrencies outside of Bitcoin. To do this, we'll be using a number of resources that are all freely available on lookintobitcoin.com, your number one source for Bitcoin information. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to ensure you're receiving all of our content as soon as it's released. So right now we're just on the Puel multiple here on lookintobitcoin.com. And this chart, as you can see, has absolutely nothing to do with any other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. At least from a fundamental and data-driven perspective, this is looking at the daily coin issuance of new Bitcoin entering the network denominated in US dollar terms and just dividing that by a yearly average. So this metric doesn't really reflect on the current situation regarding any other cryptocurrencies. It doesn't take into account fundamental events happening on Ethereum or price action affecting Binance Coin, for example. All of these are different assets that have their own ecosystems and operate a little bit individually from Bitcoin. So what we can see here is this Puel multiple, which historically has been a great indicator for when to buy and take profits on your Bitcoin positions, really doesn't have anything to do with any other cryptocurrencies. I'm here today to show you that a vast majority of the metrics and data points we have on lookintobitcoin.com can be used to trade other cryptocurrencies and invest in other crypto projects that you believe in long term very well, very accurately, and very profitably. So if we just go here to TradingView, what we can actually do is look at the total crypto market cap and actually map that out and see the price action that's occurring for the entire crypto industry rather than just Bitcoin or any other specific altcoins. And as you can see here, if you're familiar with the Bitcoin chart at all, you can probably see a little bit of a correlation between the total crypto market cap, which is just the performance of all cryptocurrencies aggregated together, and Bitcoin as a whole. So we can actually overlay these and see here instantly there is a very strong, almost one-to-one correlation between the price action of Bitcoin and the price action of the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. And what we can even do here is add in Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And you can see again that the price action we see between Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies for the vast majority of the time is very much correlated. Obviously, there are going to be times when Bitcoin is outperforming and times where Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies that are a little bit more volatile and speculative are outperforming. But in general, we can see there is a very positive correlation. And when Bitcoin is positively trending to the upside, usually other cryptocurrencies are either following or slightly leading. But either way, we can see when Bitcoin is performing well, we can take a good guess and a good bet that other cryptocurrencies are going to be performing well also. So if we just add in a couple metrics that we have on Look Into Bitcoin here, but have actually been converted so you can use them yourself on TradingView. For example, the Puel multiple, which we've just covered, we can see here that as Bitcoin enters these oversold, these discounted territories here, like we saw in the 2018-2019 bear cycle, during the COVID 2020 crash, and in our most recent bear cycle we're currently in now, all other cryptocurrencies are likely to be in a very similar situation to Bitcoin. A vast majority of cryptocurrencies are providing almost one-to-one correlated returns with Bitcoin, just with a huge degree of additional volatility and speculation. So for example, Ethereum, which we can see here, has times where it's vastly outperforming Bitcoin, maybe rebounds higher and the percentage returns are actually increased somewhat. But we can see there's also times when it vastly underperforms Bitcoin due to just general trends and speculation in the market as traders and investors trying to maximize their profits. What we can also do is add in, for example, the Bitcoin investor tool. What we can do is even apply this to the total cryptocurrency market cap. Now, this Bitcoin investor tool is taking a 2-year moving average of Bitcoin, which is this green line we see here, or in this case, a 2-year moving average of the price action of the total crypto market cap. And then this red line here is the same value just multiplied by 5. And what we can see here is this Bitcoin or total crypto market cap investor tool it shows us periods where cryptocurrencies are potentially undervalued and you should consider averaging into your positions, such as where we are now, again, during the COVID 2020 crash and the previous bear cycles we've had. But it also gives a great indication of when it may be most effective to take some profit on your positions when the price actually exceeds this red moving average line we see here. And again, another one, we can just add the 200 weekly moving average. And this, again, is on the Look Into Bitcoin site as a Bitcoin data metric. But realistically, this works just as well on the total crypto market cap. And it'll work just as well on almost all cryptocurrencies due to the strong correlation they almost all share. So just to quickly summarize, due to the strong correlation between Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, the underlying strength in BTC is usually a strong indication of how other altcoins are likely to perform also. And many newer and smaller market cap digital assets do not have the on-chain data and fundamental metrics available to gain a strong insight into where they may be within their own market cycle. So for a lot of the time, we just have to rely on the Bitcoin data we have to actually get a good understanding of the entire crypto market cap and the entire industry in general. What we can also say is altcoins may provide more speculative and volatile returns compared to Bitcoin, but that also comes with the increased risk and potential for more downside. So always hedge your bets, don't go all in on any one crypto asset, especially if you're dabbling into altcoins. Remember to always manage your risk, but for a general understanding of how the crypto market is looking, almost all the metrics you see for Bitcoin and especially on lookintobitcoin.com can be used very effectively and to a great degree of profitability for all other altcoins. If you like this video, then please visit lookintobitcoin.com, where you can also consider becoming a site subscriber to gain access to live chats, in-depth newsletters, indicator alerts, private TradingView scripts, and more, all for a fraction of the standard industry price. And let me know in the comments down below and on social media what your thoughts are on using Bitcoin metrics to trade other altcoins and cryptocurrencies. Let me know what other altcoins and other cryptocurrency projects you're actually looking at and trading and investing yourself. I look forward to reading and replying to all of them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.